Withdrawing money from Discord to your bank account involves a few straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Access your Discord account. Log into your Discord account using your credentials. Ensure you are using the correct account link to your payment methods. Step 2. Navigate to user settings. Once logged in, click on the Get icon located at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface. This will take you to your user settings. Step 3. Go to Connections. In the User Settings menu, find and select the Connections tab. Here, you can manage your linked accounts and payment methods. Step 4. Link your bank account. If you haven't already, link your bank account by selecting the appropriate option. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details securely. Step 5. Initiate withdrawal. After linking your bank account, go to the Payments section where your earnings are displayed. Select the option to withdraw funds and follow the instructions to complete the transaction. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Always ensure that your account details are accurate to avoid any delays.